Today I'm looking at this Renault Trafic mass airflow sensor, so I went through the wires. I had a mass airflow sensor fault code. So I had 5 volts at the top, then 5 volts, then 12 volts, then a ground of 0 volts and about 2.5 volts at the bottom. The bottom one was for the air temperature, so it's like those two are the air temperature. These top ones have got 5 volts. When I unplug it, it went to 0. And when it's plugged in, without this sensor simulator, the only reason I've got 0.7 is because I've just put this on it. But without the sensor simulator, unplugged at 0 volts. When it's plugged in, it's 5. So I've got a direct short in the mass airflow sensor. So that's what it looks like with the sensor fitted, and we know now the wire's okay because I've got 3.5 grams. I wanted to see it change on there. With this switched off and not in use, well, it almost died on us then, you see that? Almost died. So we've got no grams now, that's switched off. Not using it, I could take that off there. I've got a sensor simulator for airbags as well, but now we have 0 volts on the top and 0 grams. When we plug it in again and show you. Now it's plugged in, gone up to 5. So the top one is the sensor signal, the one below it is 5 volts, but when it's plugged in, it's like this is just shorted internally and goes straight to 5. And then when it does that, we get a really high, this is using OBD, it's really high airflow rating, 283 grams per second, but I'll show you what the fault code is. This thing's been going a lot slower for me lately, it's time to change it. That one, yeah, I disconnected it, so I'm going to create the bottom one. That wasn't there, the P0110, but it was the P0100, the one that we're concerned about, putting the light on the dash. Hopefully this is helpful to somebody, a way of testing it. Just using the sensor simulator. Thanks for watching.